This 65 C10 has been with Wilwood for about 10 years now. In that time, we've had a lot of good memories, displaying in our booth at SEMA, delivering products to customers. I think it's time this thing gets the love it desperately needs.
Yeah, we already started that.
Hey everyone, Robert with Wilwood here on site at TCI with Sal. Sal, he's helping us out with our C10 truck project. Why don't you tell us what we're getting today?
Well, we got a complete TCI suspension front and rear for the Wilwood truck. This has our custom independent IFS that'll bolt onto the C10 front end. We also have our torque on rear suspension for it that'll bolt into the rear of the truck. We utilize a 9-inch Ford from Curry's to make it a nice driving modern unit.
Really looking forward to getting this stuff on the truck and out driving it. This 65 C10 farm truck handles and looks like a farm truck. Can't wait to change that.
It won't be a farm truck anymore, trust me.
All right, just got back from TCI with their Pro IFS rear 4-link and Curry rear axle. Let's go ahead and get this stuff unloaded. All right, everyone, right behind me is our 65 C10 shop truck. Here at Wilwood, we use this as a test bed for the future of braking systems. We cycle through all sorts of different iterations. This is the meat and potatoes of where we do our testing is on this truck. Thanks to our friends at TCI Curry, we got their Pro IFS and rear 4-link set up. All of these components, they're gonna bolt right in. There's no fabrication required. We went on eBay, found ourselves an LS engine, pulled out this old small block that has served its time. We're gonna go ahead and bolt that in as well, and all of this stuff works together. We're gonna bolt it in and get back to testing as quick as we can. Follow along, I'll see you guys in a bit. So we picked up these parts from TCI. They were all raw and uncoated. What's really great about building a truck here at Wilwood, just down the road in our other building, we got our own powder coating facility. We went ahead and selected some Wilwood caliper colors. We've got Infineon Blue, Competition Red, and one to go white. The rest of the chassis brackets, we went ahead and powder coated and glossed black. The rest of the team took out the front cross member. The rear is all disassembled. These parts are ready to bolt in, and we'll get to that next. All right, just finished our Craigslist rebuild of our junkyard LS engine. We're about ready to get this thing bolted up in the truck. Huge shout out to PSI, Made in America wiring harness. Once we get this engine in, we're gonna wire it up, fire it up, and be that much closer to getting this thing running down the road.
That wasn't hard to do at all. It wasn't hard. Light work.
Light work.
Light work.
And just like that, engine's in. Time to throw some wiring at it. On to the next step.
So now here we're unboxing our new calipers that we have for our C10. We are continuing with our red, white, and blue theme. So we have red front super lights and blue rear dyno lights.
All right, so we just finished installing the front brakes on our C10. This is the rear bracket we'll be using. It has provisions for the EPB that we'll be running right here. And we'll also be running the forged dyno lights in the rear. So get started with that.
What are we doing today?
Making the truck work. Today we are just measuring our front weight distribution percentage so that we can get the spring rates all chosen, because right now the rear is kind of a little stiff, so we'll know exactly what spring rate we need. You want to guess what our weight is?
3,365 pounds.
Wow, optimistic. 39.35.
It's a big girl.
Yep.
What do we got for distribution?
We have 59% front, so we moved back our weight distribution. We were at 62% before.
That's pretty good.
So 3% back is good.
Whoa.
And then we have not corner balanced yet, but apparently we don't need to.
Dang.
So
Again, thanks to TCI, you guys have been awesome. Well, we filled it with some fluids. I guess we should probably turn the key and hope for the best, right?
yeah.
Let's do it. We just got this thing all buttoned up, fired right up. We're gonna go take it for a spin. just finished our test drive with our shop truck. Huge shout out, thanks TCI, DSI Wiring, everyone who helped us with this build. Truck drives and runs so nice. Stops, of course, perfect. Now we're gonna get some tacos.